Welcome to our channel. If you want to link your Peacock account to your smart TV, follow these step-by-step instructions for quick setup. Step 1. Ensure your smart TV is connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable. Step 2. Access your TV's App Store. This could be Samsung Apps, LG Content Store, Amazon App Store for Fire TV, or Roku Channel Store. Step 3. Search for the Peacock app using your TV remote and the App Store's search function. Step 4. Download and install the Peacock app on your smart TV by selecting Install or Add Channel. Step 5. Open the Peacock app after installation. The app will display a welcome screen with sign-in options. Step 6. Select Sign In and an activation code will appear on your TV. Keep this screen open. Step 7. On a computer or mobile device, open a browser and visit peacocktv.com TV. Log in to your existing Peacock account. Step 8. Enter the activation code from your TV screen into the website. Once entered, your TV will automatically refresh and link to your account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.